In uplifting poverty, or in coming to the very fact that China has recorded or has declared a victory over poverty eradication for its people, we can point out to the governance system that promotes efficiency in its ways of running business, and this is government business, and also coming to the fact that China has decentralized its system to go into all different provinces to reach out to the grassroots of all countrysides. The opening up of the Chinese economy brings about a lot of improvement in livelihoods through governments. China's deliberate policies of bilateral and multilateral agreements and friendships across the world has seen it to be a major contributor to poverty eradication world over, which translates to about 70% of poverty being cut off, influenced by China in all countries world over, be it the United States, be it a country that is developing like Zambia or Tanzania, where we have actually moved from low income class to at least middle income nations.